Today I'm going to let you see this scope. Well, saying it's a scope, it's called PowerScope PP100. It's made by Sealey here in the UK. So it's quite a powerful wee thing. I've found it very, very useful. So you get clamps onto the battery, and when you connect it, you get this beeping noise. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but it's just a normal scope. So if you go to a positive, it beeps and it gives you the voltage. It's exactly the same if it goes to a negative, you get a low tone. So also within this thing, it's a powerful, you get a fly lead for using with a scope function. So if I go to the next screen, there's the scope, and you can use that as well. It gives you your minimum and maximum reading, but I'll show you on a digital circuit and just see how powerful this actual little scope is on digital signals. So just 2 seconds. There you go, you maybe can see a bit better here. Another useful feature about it is the top probe bit is actually detachable. And what you can do with that is you can use your own extension leads, like this one I've got here. So I can extend it, and I can also, at this end, I can put in a piercing probe. So what I'm going to do is go into this, I'll let you see that there. It's a rear cluster, it's a rear light, but this one, it's on a Volkswagen. It doesn't act in the normal way, just with 12 volts going in. It's a digital signal. I'll let you see this, so I'll probe this in here at the moment. There you go. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the signal from the tail light, and you can see all the values there. I'll switch this to manual focus. 2 seconds. Now there it's there. That's into the tail light. As you can see, it's digital. Maximum is 11 volts, the minimum is 0 volts. Its frequency is almost 100 hertz, and its duty cycle is 26%. Now its duty cycle is actual on time. So that's the top. That's the top bit of this waveform. That's the duty cycle. It's measured here. It's not the bottom bit. It's actually the time that light switch is getting power. So I found this a really useful tool. I'll flick to there's what it would show you on a normal voltmeter. It just flashes on and off. But when you flick to the scope, that's when you get the true reading of what's happening. So it's a great little tool, this. It's called the PP100 PowerScope, and it's from Sealey. And it's very fast. It saves you getting the voltmeter out, and it's also, you can detach these bits at the top, as I said. So I hope you like that. Cheers.